2024 Best First Motorcycle for Beginners Kawasaki Z400. In the diverse landscape of motorcycles, the 2024 Kawasaki Z400 stands out as an exemplary choice for beginners, seamlessly blending raw design, versatile performance, and approachability. Recognized as one of the best first motorcycles for those stepping into the realm of riding, the Z400 exemplifies Kawasaki's commitment to crafting machines that cater to riders seeking an ideal balance of learning-friendly features and the exhilarating experience of a naked bike. In 2024, the Z400 continues to capture the hearts of entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of confidence building, dynamic rides, and the joy of mastering the art of motorcycling on two wheels. 1. Naked bike design with aggressive styling. The Kawasaki Z400 boasts a naked bike design that embraces minimalism and aggressive styling. With its exposed frame, distinctive headlight, and muscular lines, the Z400 exudes a raw and dynamic presence that resonates with riders looking for a stripped-down and energetic riding experience. Kawasaki's meticulous attention to design ensures that the Z400 not only provides a thrilling riding experience but also makes a bold statement on the road. 2. Responsive parallel twin engine for versatility. At the heart of the Z400 lies a responsive 399 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, offering a perfect balance of accessible power and versatility. Kawasaki's engine design emphasizes smooth power delivery, making it an excellent choice for beginners looking to build confidence while experiencing the agility of a naked bike. The Z400's engine provides enough performance for urban commuting, highway cruising, and spirited rides, offering a versatile platform for riders to explore different riding scenarios. 3. Lightweight chassis for nimble handling. Designed for nimble handling, the Kawasaki Z400 features a lightweight chassis that contributes to its agile and responsive characteristics. The bike's compact dimensions and upright riding position make it easy for beginners to maneuver through city traffic and navigate corners with confidence. The Z400's lightweight design enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and enjoy the thrill of naked bike handling. 4. Comfortable riding ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the Z400 features a rider-friendly ergonomic setup. The bike offers an upright seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and wide handlebars, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Kawasaki's commitment to rider comfort makes the Z400 not only an exhilarating naked bike but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting and dynamic rides. 5. Integration of modern features. The 2024 Z400 seamlessly integrates modern features to enhance the overall riding experience. LED lighting, a digital instrument cluster, and optional advanced rider aids add contemporary functionality without compromising the Z400's raw and aggressive character. Kawasaki ensures that the Z400 remains technologically relevant, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of dynamic styling with modern conveniences. Conclusion. The 2024 Kawasaki Z400 stands as a global icon of entry-level naked bike excellence, securing its position as one of the best first motorcycles for beginners. Its raw design, responsive parallel twin engine, lightweight chassis, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of modern features make it an unrivaled choice for riders venturing into the world of motorcycling. Whether navigating city streets with aggression, cruising on highways, or experiencing the exhilaration of dynamic rides, the Z400 encapsulates the spirit of Kawasaki's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of entry-level naked bike excellence. As a symbol of confidence building, dynamic rides, and the joy of mastering the art of motorcycling, the 2024 Kawasaki Z400 rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of first motorcycles for beginners.